This video explains media-related tags. You can learn samples of each tag while previewing in Visual Studio Code. First, let's look at an example of the IMG tag. The IMG tag is used to embed images. The src attribute specifies the image path, and the alt attribute provides a description when the image cannot be displayed. Next, let's look at the figure and fig caption tags. The figure tag groups media content like images or illustrations along with a caption using the fig caption tag. Next, let's take a look at the picture tag. The picture tag is used to support responsive images, allowing the appropriate image to be selected based on different display conditions. The media attribute specifies conditions in the same format as CSS media queries. You can specify conditions such as the minimum width, min width, maximum width, max width, or screen orientation. Details about CSS media queries are explained in another video. In this example, the following images are displayed depending on the screen width. If the screen width is 800px or more, large.jpg is displayed. If the screen width is 400px or more but less than 800px, medium.jpg is displayed. If the screen width is less than 400px, small.jpg, the image in the IMG tag is displayed. Next, let's take a look at the canvas tag. The canvas tag provides a region where dynamic graphics can be drawn using JavaScript. Next, let's take a look at the map tag. The map tag is used to define an image map. Clickable areas within the map are defined using the area tag. This allows specific parts of an image to be clickable, leading to a link. Specify the name of the associated map element, map tag, in the useMap attribute of the IMG tag, prefixed with #. By appropriately specifying the alt attribute of the area tag, you can improve accessibility for visually impaired users. Next, let's take a look at the embed tag. The embed tag is used to embed external content such as PDFs, videos, or audio. Next, let's take a look at the video tag. The video tag is used to embed video content. You can specify multiple formats using the source tag. The preload attribute allows you to specify how much of a video should be loaded by the browser before playback begins. Auto instructs the browser to preload the entire media. It can reduce the delay at the start of playback, but data may be downloaded even if the user does not play the media. Metadata only loads the media's metadata, e.g., duration, track information. The media data itself is not loaded until the user initiates playback. This is suitable when you need summary information about the media. None does not preload the media file. The media does not download resources until playback starts. This is suitable when you want to minimize data usage. Next, let's take a look at the audio tag. The audio tag is used to embed audio content. The source tag supports multiple formats. Like the video tag, the preload attribute can be used to specify how much audio should be loaded before playback begins. Next, let's take a look at the track tag. The track tag is used to specify text tracks such as subtitles and captions. It can be used inside audio or video tags. The kind attribute allows you to specify the purpose of the track, e.g., subtitles, captions, chapters, etc. You can specify the following values. Subtitles provide subtitles that translate the content of video or audio or make it easier to understand for viewers. Its main purpose is the direct translation of audio. Captions provide additional information such as music and sound effects for people who are deaf or hard of hearing, in addition to audio. Descriptions are tracks that describe the visual content of a video, such as actions and scenery, for visually impaired people. Chapters provide chapter markers, chapter titles, to indicate specific points within the video. Metadata provides additional information for parsing or processing the media but is not displayed to users. Next, let's take a look at the iframe tag. The iframe tag is used to embed other HTML pages or external content, such as websites, videos, or documents, into the current page. It is often used for embedding YouTube videos on a page. The source code for this video can be downloaded from the official website. If you like, please visit the URL in the description to aid your learning. Next time, we will explain form-related tags. Thank you for watching. This channel provides practical and useful information about programming. Subscribe to the channel and let's deepen our programming skills together.